Hello my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. December is a busy month when it comes to entertaining. There are dinner parties, soirées, charity events, cocktail parties, plus Christmas and New Year's Eve. For these occasions, you need bouche and hors d'oeuvre. I have many of them on the site, and here's another one. Korean Meatballs. These sweet and spicy, tasty little guys are perfect to serve during any event. Plus, they can be made ahead. Bonus. So let's get cooking. In a medium bowl, we'll combine lean ground beef, a large beaten egg, a few pressed garlic cloves, but they can also be finely chopped, 3 tablespoons of green onions, which is about 2 large ones, some gochujang, which is a red chili paste that you can easily find at any Asian supermarket, followed by ground ginger, of course, ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper, plus some panko breadcrumbs. Next, with our clean hands, because I really have to specify that, otherwise some will make comments about using our hands, we'll mix the ingredients very well before covering with plastic wrap, making sure it touches the surface so the mixture doesn't dry out. Then we'll transfer to the fridge for at least 1 hour and up to a day. Later on, or the next day, we'll form the meat mixture into 1-inch balls. To make them even, we'll use a portion scoop. Thank goodness David is helping me. And also, it works better when our clean hands are slightly wet. I just keep a small bowl of water on the side. We'll place them on a baking sheet lined with foil that has been lightly greased. When they're all done, which should be around 28 meatballs, we'll transfer them to a 425-degree preheated oven and bake for 17 to 20 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, rotating the tray halfway through cooking. There's always a hotter spot in the oven, so it's wise to do this step. We'll carefully remove from the heat and set aside for now. If you want to transfer them onto a cutting board lined with paper towel to soak up some fat, go ahead. Next, in a shallow skillet over medium heat, we'll add ketchup, then oyster sauce, plus some gochujang, followed by soy sauce and sweet chili sauce, which you can make from scratch by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. And then pineapple juice. We're not done yet, but we'll give a quick whisk to blend the ingredients and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. We'll now add minced ginger and, of course, pressed garlic. These two go so well together. We'll whisk them in before adding some brown sugar and whisk it again. We'll set our timer for 5 minutes, but if the mixture is bubbling too much, we'll reduce the heat to medium-low. When time is up, this sauce has thickened nicely. Yep, it is. Look at this. So what we'll do is to transfer some of the meatballs into the mixture and then gently toss them around so they're coated with the sauce before adding the rest of them. It's easier not to crowd the skillet, so we can evenly coat the meat. When they're all nicely coated, we'll place a toothpick in each meatball and serve them immediately. And my friends, these are our Korean meatballs. These flavorful little guys are a great hors d'oeuvre to serve at your next party. They can be made ahead, and there's also versatile as they can be served over rice as a meal. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!